Time for work. Start with the bathroom, then my shirt. Don't forget the tie. Time for breakfast. Can't forget the keys. Work my heart out until my feet are sore, hands are full of cuts, sweat drips down my face, I'm ready for a 2-week vacation. The day is over. I'm at home now. I can rest. When I'm not at work, I'm here. I've been here for more of my life than I think I should have. But this is my home. It's where I grew up. Yet these days it feels claustrophobic. The videos online just aren't as interesting as they used to be. I don't feel like playing video games. I don't feel like making a video. I just want to go on an adventure. The world is running so fast. Everything needs to get done. Nothing has been done. Get everything done today. Every time I fix something, it's undone by someone else. But that's just how the world is, isn't it? I can't say that it's all bad, because it's not. But when the cycle repeats itself forever, the world seems to lose its color. I could compare it to solitary confinement. If solitary confinement was a 3-mile radius in a small town, I want something more. I can't stay in the same room forever. I can't stay locked in the same interests without losing a part of myself. Who am I but a curious vessel? A being of discovery, wonder, and interest. I mean, for real, everyone is at a certain point. But I've seen people lose that part of themselves all too often. They lock themselves into the infinite cycle of solitude. They make the final resting place for their interests and wonder the doorstep to adulthood. Being an adult doesn't mean you have to be serious 100% of the time. Doesn't mean the jokes you make and the comedy you enjoy have to be adult-themed. Being an adult means taking up your responsibilities and losing the parts of yourself that are selfish, annoying, and all the bad qualities about children. But while that's the right thing to do, some people include their childlike wonder in that list. It's sad to see, but don't let the cycle of life dictate your expandable and changeable focus on the wonders of life. There is a lot to be grateful for out there. It's time to go see some of it.
The wonders of life can't escape you. The marvelous detail of the infinitely complex reality shall not fall past thine eyes as though you are blind to it. The absolute chaotic nature of the orderly abyss known only as society may pass in time, but the mind may will itself to slow the pacing of life. Therefore, beyond all recognition, observing nature in a new light, not only of chaos, but also of peace. Let these things go to your brain. Use them to metacognate upon yourself. And forever remember,
You cannot go through this life without appreciating everything to their absolute core, their finest grain down to the smallest detail. Whether what I said has any meaning to you or not doesn't matter. Life is too interesting not to be grateful for. Look around at what you have and stop caring about what you don't. At least for a little bit. Have a good life, everyone. And may it be an adventure.